Hello and welcome to TechShorts. Let's start with Python data structure headlines. Data structure is a way of organizing and storing data in a computer program. It provides a way to manage and manipulate data, allowing for efficient storage, retrieval, and modification of information. List is used to represent a collection of ordered items, which can be of different data types. These are mutable, meaning you can add, remove, or modify its elements. Tuples are similar to list, but they are immutable. Once a tuple is created, you cannot add, remove, or modify its elements. Sets are unordered and contain only unique elements, which can be of different data types. They are useful for removing duplicates from a sequence. Dictionaries are unsorted and contain key-value pairs. The key must be unique and immutable, such as strings, numbers, tuples. Stack is not available in Python, but the similar behavior that is last in, first out can be achieved using list. Queue is also not available in Python, but the similar behavior that is first in, first out can be achieved using list. Len method is used to count number of items in provided iterable. In case of list, using del statement, we can delete single or multiple elements. Whereas in set, using del statement, you can't delete single element, but can delete entire set. To delete a single element from a set, you can use remove method of set. In case of dictionary, you can delete a single key-value pair or all key-value pairs using del statement. Tuple is immutable, so you can't delete single element from it, but you can delete entire tuple using del statement. And that's it from me and my team in this edition of Headlines. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more such headlines.